our Year 1 and 2 team, coached by Mariana. Our most improved player goes to Serena Morrison. Most valuable player goes to Cora Kushel. RPS Amazon. Most improved, most valuable player for RPS Amazon is Viola Nicholas. Moving on to RPS Hinikaha, our Year 5 team. Most improved player goes to Ava Pyro. RPS Hinikaha, most valuable player, Hoata Meki. Podium tonight. Wait today. Moving on to our RPS Kiroa team. Most improved player 2025 goes to Raiha Farina. RPS Pukiroa, most valuable player 2025 goes to Tui Butler. The big award for the Rotorua Primary Player of the Year this year goes to along to our next sport, which will be futsal, indoor soccer. RPS Avengers. Our futsal team, RPS Avengers, most improved player is Damien King Fraser. And the Avengers' most valuable player is Tommy Hana Mokumoko. And player of the year for futsal went to Tommy Hana Mokumoko. Thank you. Kaitama. Mahotika. Moving along to our touch, which was our last sport. RPS Maui Tiki Tiki. RPS Maui most improved player goes to Maya Paido. Maya's not here at the moment. We'll move along to most valuable player for RPS Maui. That goes to Jasmine Robinson. Moving along to our next touch team, our next junior team, RPS Maui. Most improved player goes to Tamati Morley. RPS Maui Tiki Tiki most valuable player, oh my goodness me, goes to Alaska Verco. She may be small, but she is fierce. Our next junior team, we had 3 year 1 and 2 teams. RPS Arawa, most improved player, Hazen Rudy. Most valuable player, who has been away for quite some time, goes to the Kairo Tamai Atkins. So please sit here today. Alright, our next team, actually I'm going to ask for our juniors to go down and get their whāua taken. So Cyrus, leave our juniors off the stage please. Follow along, Hazel. Hi, we're moving on to our year 3 and 4 touch teams. We're going to be starting with RPS Mahuika, first player, Amani Jones. Most valuable player for RPS Mahuika goes to Mila Kershaw. While Mila's making her way to the stage, I just wanted to acknowledge this team because they just played on Tuesday this week, on Wednesday, and they took out the girls division for the year 3 and 4s. They were winners for the whole of Rotorua for touch, so paki mai. Also a big mention to our other team, our RPS Mareikura team, for the way that they've played this season, so we're moving along to them right now. Most valuable player was Levi Moingarua. Levi's not available today, she's been away. The most improved player was Ocean McGregor. Moving on to our boys team. RPS 2 HCR. Most improved player goes to RPS 2 HCR. Most valuable player 2025 goes to Tiare Stewart. RPS Tangaroa. Most improved player goes to Kendrick Shiboyne. Love the way you're sitting. Moving on to the most valuable player for Team Tangaroa, we have Lee Lockwood. I'm going to ask for our year 3s and 4s to move out for their photos, and we will move on to our year 5 and 6, our senior team. RPS Hinimore, most improved player, goes to Raiha. Hinimore team, most valuable player goes to Tui Butler. RPS Pukaki. Most improved player goes to Sunny Fiola. Pukaki, most valuable player, goes to Tami Hanamokumoko. And on to our last team, Tuma Talinga, coached by Kai Shiro. Our most improved player, Kalea Stephenua George. Two marks going up, most valuable player. Goes to Kaiawatia Wellington Field. Bye, thank you for sitting up quietly. Kaitoma. Moving on to our Touch Player of the Year. (2025) goes to we're going to look quick slide for our senior players. And Itu Kura for another musical lesson. Itu getting a little bit stretched.